This is a kind of lizard. It can change the color of its skin according to its surroundings. Chameleon. This animal has three hearts and the color of its blood is blue. Octopus. This animal has cones on its body to protect itself. Porcupine. This animal has a pouch on its belly to carry its young one. Kangaroo. This is the fastest land animal. Cheetah. This is the largest land carnivore in the world, found in the Arctic zone. Polar bear. This bird is also the national bird of New Zealand. It has a good sense of smell which helps it to find worms and insects from the soil. Kiwi. It is also name of a fruit. This bird lives in the icy areas of Antarctica. It feeds on fish and other small animals while swimming underwater. However, it builds its nest on the ground. Penguin. This is a larger bird found mainly in Australia. It has long and powerful legs that allow it to run at a high speed. It can travel larger distance. Emu. This is the largest bird in the world. It is found in Africa. It is the fastest runner on the ground and lays huge eggs. Ostrich.